This short video shows you how to join Zoom on your iPhone with a meeting ID or a Zoom link. If you have an Android phone, you can get the concept from watching this video. To join Zoom, you need to have the Zoom app installed on your phone. If you have not downloaded the Zoom app on your mobile phone, go to the Apple App Store on iPhone or Google Play Store on Android phone and search for Zoom. Now open the Zoom app on your phone. Tap on Join Meeting. Enter the meeting ID given to you by your teacher or the meeting host. Your name may appear automatically on the screen, but if not, enter your name in the empty field. Tap on Join to join the meeting. You will see yourself on the phone screen. Tap on Join again. Wait for your host to let you join the meeting. Your host has allowed you in. Now tap on Wi-Fi or cellular data to enable others to hear you. Let's look at how to join Zoom with a Zoom link. On your home phone screen, go to the email app with the Zoom link and open the app. Open the email with the link and click on the link. Wait for your host to let you in. Your host has allowed you in. Now tap on Wi-Fi or cellular data to enable others to hear you. Let's look at how to share screen. During a Zoom meeting, your host will appear in the center of the screen. Yourself will appear on the upper right. On the bottom, swipe the icons left or right till you see the share icon. If you don't see the icons, tap on the black area to make them visible. Now tap on the share icon. Tap on Screen to share your phone screen. Tap on Start Broadcast to start sharing. You have started broadcasting or sharing. Tap anywhere on the black area to go to the next screen. Again, tap anywhere on the black area to go to the next screen. Now what you see or do on your phone is shared with others in the meeting. You can go anywhere you want to go or share whatever you want to share. To stop sharing, tap on the picture of yourself on the screen. Tap on Stop Share to stop sharing. To leave a Zoom meeting, tap on Leave. Tap on Leave Meeting again. You now know how to join Zoom from an iPhone.